Hi, and I guess this is how you can make me. um, yeah, I made this other video I made this old video on how to make me, and now after the redesign, I thought I could show you how to make my new me, my new scene. So, yeah. Hope you enjoy, and I hope this helps. Okay, enjoy the video, and I hope this helps. And yeah, okay, enough of me rambling. Let's just get over with.
Your reality, no. I'm all the sins that you can't confess. I'm just your ghost if we're not undressed. A part of me wish that we never met, but you act like we never. Got too wasted in the bathroom of your parents' house. Now you kissed me in the backseat of a taxi ride, and we said things that were cheesy, but we